Google Photos, how to delete permanently. So to permanently delete photos from Google Photos, what you're going to do is open up Google Photos. So open it up and then simply, for example, let me delete a photo. So for example, I'll just open it up. So select the media that you want to delete permanently. Open it up and then hit on the bin icon and then click on got it and then move to bin. So this will now move this particular media to the bin, but it's not permanently deleted. To permanently delete, what you're going to do, go to the collections tab or the library tab, click on it and then go to the bin again, click on the bin option. So here you would find the media that you just deleted. So you go to delete from this bin so that you will be able to delete it permanently. So to do that, you can either go to the bin here and then click on these three dots here on your top right and then click on empty bin. So that will empty everything in your bin or trash folder, or else simply select the item and then hit on delete. So when you hit on delete, it's going to ask you for a confirmation and then hit on delete again, confirm it, and that's it. It's now permanently deleted from Google Photos. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.